First of all, use MKT data to scan the group by keyword. Here, you just need to enter the keyword of the group that you want to scan. And for example, I will add the game groups here. And you click the account that you want to scan and set the number of group you want. Remember that you should set one treat for one process. And click start. And it will start to scanning group by keyword for you. Here you can see after it's done scanning, you should export to the Excel and save to your PC here. And after that, I will use MKT Care to comment on groups. Here, it will have you to manage a lot of accounts here. First of all, if you want to comment on group, you should have content. First of all, you should need to add the category here. I will add the comment spam and click plug here, and it's done. And after that, I will add content here. It will have two types content. First of all, it's stated with no photos, and the content with photos. Here you can have the post title, and you write the content you want here. Here, for example, I will write something. Okay, and after that you will choose the photo that you want with your content. Here's for example. Here you will click on the attack photo with and choose the category that contains spam that you create before, and remember add the $smile, and it will get a random icon for you to avoid spamming. If you need to add the content, you click on the viral marketing and the group posting. First of all, you select the content that you want to post and save here. Okay, and after that you will set up your PC with the number like a series or the number of group you want. Here's for example. If you don't know how to set up, just text me and I will show you how to set up this. Here, click on with the function do not post particular per groups, and click on the wait for photo upload for how many seconds here, and I will set 5 seconds. After you select the contents, you open the Excel file to copy the UID of group that you want to post, and click in here to enter the group UID here. After that, you just need to select the accounts that you want to post. Here's my account. It's all done, and now you just need to click on the start, and the process of posting on multiple groups will be start.